Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on a second video review for our Huawei Band 11, and on this video we are going to have a demo for the following applications. We have the WhatsApp application here, Viber, and SMS. Remember, we already have a demo for the Instagram and Messenger. This time we'll have the SMS, WhatsApp, and Viber. Okay, so next we'll check now, or we'll have demo of the messages, including the emoji and a quick reply. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have demo of the smart notifications. Next, let's double check again our support app, the Huawei Health. Maybe we missed something. We already enabled some of the notifications here. Let's check for the WhatsApp, Viber, and the SMS. Activated for the SMS. We have the WhatsApp here, and I'm looking for the Viber app. Just want to make sure that it is activated. Yes, we have it here. We also have the quick reply. Okay, let's add another one. Hello, then can we add an emoji? No, only text. Okay, then go back. Okay, seems like everything's okay here. Let's proceed with our applications. Let's have first our WhatsApp application. Send a message to Sam. Hello. With our emoji. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, so we have the icon, the name of the application, the name of the sender, the message, and as you can see, we have our emoji. And you can do or have a quick reply. So let's send our quick reply, and we have it here again. Message sent, and we have here our message, quick reply with emoji. Message sent, and we have the quick reply here. So it works for our WhatsApp application. How about the call? It's calling. And we have here the call notification for our WhatsApp application. Okay, so everything works for our WhatsApp application. Very good so far for our Huawei Band 11. Next, let's have the Viber app. The same setup, we'll send a message. Let's send a message. Send a message. Message sent. Okay. Again, it's a bit delayed here. Message sent. And we have here the message from Viber. Let's send a message. Quick reply with emoji. It's a bit late here. Again, yes, we have it here now. Hi. Let's have the quick reply message, the predefined. custom message here. This is a test. And we have the our quick reply. Okay, so it works for notification for the Viber app. How about the call notification? It's now calling. Okay, so we have an app, or we have an ad here. Shopping app again, and call. Let's see if we can receive a call notification. And we have here a call notification. Then quick reply. We have it here. Okay, so far everything works for our Huawei Band 11. It works with Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp application, and Viber. Next, let's have the SMS or the text message. How are you? We will add an emoji right away, just to check. Message sent. The screen is off, as you can see here. Let's see if it's active, if we can receive the message, and the screen will activate, and we have it here. Okay, so the screen turned on. How are you? We have the emoji. Let's have our quick reply message, and we have the message here. Okay, so it works for our SMS. Okay, so that's it for our demo with Huawei Band 11. Everything works, no issues at all. You can receive emoji, it can receive a lot of characters or words, and of course it works with quick reply and custom quick reply, as well as notifications, call notification in the applications. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.